Discover the ultimate workshop manual service and repair guide for your Ford Focus from 2018 to 2021. This official factory repair service manual is identical to those used by Ford services, ensuring unparalleled accuracy and reliability. Technical information applies to Ford Focus. Models: Ford Focus. Engine: 1.0L and 1.5L EcoBoost engines. Model years: 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. Gearboxes: 8-speed automatic transmissions, 8F24, 6-speed manual transmission, B6+. No of pages, over 3191. Language: English. Content: containing all official Ford manufacturer specifications and repair instructions. This manual covers various systems including engine, transmission, suspension, brakes, and more. Detailed illustrations and step-by-step guidance ensure easy understanding and efficient repairs. About the manual: our workshop manual mirrors the procedures used by official and authorized dealer services, providing you with the same level of expertise and precision. Compatible with all systems and devices, it's easily accessible and includes search functionality for quick navigation. Why choose us? Instant access after purchase. Complete and original official workshop service and repair manual. Searchable and contains a table of contents for easy reference. 100% approved by the car manufacturer. Virus-free and safe for download. Upgrade your car maintenance experience with our Ford Focus Workshop Manual today.